As someone in their 50s, I believe that the senior demographic has so much more potential and untapped talent to offer. I wanted to build a business that unlocks this value, but used our technology experience at building consumer software, marketplaces, and Neil's EdTech reskilling background to really do this differently and at scale.
Driving digital adoption and engagement is a huge problem for businesses targeting the 50 plus demographic. So, the way we are trying to solve it is by building a real time tool, a video tool that can allow seniors who are passionate about teaching to quickly come in, get reskilled on products like Shopify, LinkedIn, Uber, or pure old Zoom, and then be able to teach a huge population of other seniors who want to use these services to unlock value.
Our technology platform enables us to reskill seniors at scale, which creates new economic opportunities for them while teaching others. But the magic really happens when an older adult teaches another older adult. The level of empathy, patience, and respect removes the fear and creates a truly comfortable environment in which they can learn new skills. We've designed our curriculum and training program to ensure that our live classes are completely interactive so students learn by doing, not simply by watching. This difference is key.
We've built a dashboard for every senior who comes to become a teacher on our platform. Once they get a booking for a classroom, they launch it. That launches a real-time teaching tool that is built completely on Zoom. Once the session is launched, we provide dynamic real-time curriculum for teachers to teach students. This is both accessible to the end customer on their side as well as for the teacher. As you can see, each card here is a topic or a skill that someone needs to learn. And so at both ends, customers and the teacher can actually interact with this to develop a learning map of what customers know and don't know about a particular product. Guides can also quickly switch between different types of concepts, going deeper into certain things, as well as capture insights from customers, whether they had an aha moment. And what our tool does is takes 15 seconds before and after of that moment and creates bite-sized videos that are shared with the customer after the class so that they can go back and revisit and watch it again. This is truly a personalized learning experience, fully interactive live, that has never been done before for this demographic.